Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Amazon order history. First, open Amazon on your web browser or launch the Amazon app on your mobile device. Then make sure you're logged in with the account that has the orders you want to hide. Now go to the returns and orders section, which is usually at the top right of the Amazon homepage. This will show you complete order history. Next, scroll to the order and locate the one you want to hide. Click on the order details if you want to double check the order before archiving it. After confirming, click on Archive Order. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to archive this order. Click Archive Order again to finalize the process. Once archived, the order will no longer appear in your main order history, so it's hidden from your usual view. To view all your archived orders, go to Accounts and List at the top right, then select Archived Orders. Here, you can see all the orders you've hidden, and if needed, you can unarchive them later. Archiving orders is useful for keeping your main order history clean, especially if you share your account with family members or just want to organize it better. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.